Top of the morning, Gaza Nation. Happy Sunday. Remember, God is the greatest. So, I say, quick question. Turn down that, babes. Why every time when I see me post a woman on my page, I take a picture with a fan or a friend, when I ask about sidem, where is sidem? You know what to say, as when I do that, I just block on off on my page. Because guess what? When I tell you where is sidem, she got the big mansion on my buy and put her in her. And she not ask about Uno. Because she don't care about it. Okay? Dog? Oh. I'm out.
They cut it yesterday.
Yeah, I know.
The money? What's it?
Yeah, ask about sidem. Yeah, that's a sidem.
Look at that, is he right there?
You know, I just wake up my father and I'm feeling electrified. So guess what? I'm gonna get some straight vibes and get electrified. Duh. One Vybz Kartel or a DJ. I see Mr. Palmer.
You think shot like I'm gonna load? Look at all these women. Baby, are you me choose? Me no see them. Yeah, me see them.
I would say something about iPhone. I'm just like, oh, the manager lady.
No, you're not.
I'm just dash the iPhone. But you have it. You have it.
You see the way he post?
Yeah.
Something I go on with this, because the man post
Here one now. Here one now, the Samsung. Yeah. You also friendly.
The boy that you know things
alien brain, man.
You have an alien brain. I don't know about that about it.
Yeah. Takes one to know one.
Right, see that?
Alien brain. Alien brain. Fully active.
Pretty
East
fair, yeah.
side. Gaza. Deaf. Don't fool him. Money. A one drop top. I remember them and a response to me. And big up Jojo. I love her more than all the girls love Bojo. About.